Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe, healthy, and doing well during this time. In today's video, I have some really exciting announcements to tell you guys, and I am so excited. And if you can't already guess, it is about OHM Don't Give Up, my bead collaboration, my OHMistry project with OHM Beads. As a lot of you guys know, this was a limited release. There were only 111 made in the world, and they sold out within I think the same day, which is just so crazy. So just thank you so much again, you guys, for all your love and support of this bead and what it represents. If you don't know what I'm talking about, or you want to know a little bit more information about OHM Don't Give Up, I do have some YouTube videos about it, so I will link them up here on the screen right now for you guys to kind of know a little bit more about the meaning and representation behind this bead. I am so excited to tell you my first exciting announcement about OHM Don't Give Up, and it is just so crazy for me to even say this and to tell you guys, but OHM Don't Give Up will be relaunching as a regular worldwide release. This won't be a limited edition bead, which is so crazy exciting, but since it is a regular release, it won't come with a limited edition box, etc. So if you are one of the ones to get one of the 111 beads made from that OHMistry project release, it will still be very special and unique. I also want to give a huge heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you that messaged me or wrote me a note or message about your own Don't Give Up story, the journey that you went on or you are currently going through. They've really touched my heart, and it feels so special to know that so many people connect with this bead, and that it just serves as that reminder to them that no matter what you are going through, no matter what they are going through, you can get through and overcome anything. You just have to keep that faith, keep going, and don't give up. And I don't know, I think that's just been my favorite part about this bead, is just connecting and hearing so many stories from you guys. That's just, oh my gosh, I wish I could hug you guys all, because some of your stories, oh my goodness, they just really touched my heart. So thank you so much for sharing them with me, and oh my goodness, I'm getting emotional. So I'm going to leave it there, and I'm going to move on to the next exciting announcement that I have to share with you guys. I purchased from the original 111 an additional bead, and I knew I wanted to do a giveaway on this bead just because it is so special to me, and I just want to give the opportunity for someone who wasn't able to get one of these beads, or who really wanted one and just couldn't get it at that time, just to give them an opportunity to win one too. So I'm going to be giving away number 110. This is the number that I received, to one lucky winner, and this is going to be hosted over on my Instagram. So if you're not already following me, it's at fashionstoryteller, and I will leave a link on where to find the post with all the details on how to enter, where to enter, how to qualify down below in the description bar of this video. So just click on the little down arrow and you'll find all the information on where to enter, how to enter, etc. Anyway, that is it for today's video, you guys. Again, just the biggest thank you and virtual hug just for all your love and support. I wish you guys a wonderful, magical rest of your day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, you guys, and oh my goodness, another huge virtual hug.